Okay, so now I'm going to teach you how to draw shapes that are a certain size in SketchUp. This can be helpful because it will help you to create an accurate representation of the object that you are trying to build or model. So first you're going to want to start off by drawing just the shape that you want. So if you want a rectangle, click rectangle, circle, circle, or any different numbered, a shape with a different number of sides right there. So for this we'll just do a rectangle. And you want to start by drawing the shape that you want. Now you can just look at the bottom right corner and it will tell you the dimensions of the shape that you're drawing. However, this can be really difficult to do in trying to get it to line up because, yeah, it's pretty sensitive. So instead of doing that, you can simply just type in the dimensions that you want. So say you want it 6 foot by 6 foot, you can go 6 foot, comma 6 foot, hit enter, and it will draw it for you. Now you have to make sure that you're doing this as you are drawing the shape or else it will not work. So then the same thing works with the push and pull tool. So say we want this 3 foot high, we can simply just, as we are pulling or pushing it, you can just hit 3 foot and then enter, and it will make the object the size that you want it. Now I'll just show you how to make a circle, just so that you can see how it works with multiple different things. So for a circle, you're going to want, it will be measuring the radius. So if you have a measurement for your diameter, you're going to have to cut that in half. So say we want a 2 foot diameter, so the radius would only be 1 foot. So as you are drawing the circle, just type in 1 foot, enter, and it will draw it to the size that you want. And then you can use the push or pull tool just like before, so 3 foot or whatever size you would want it, and hit enter, and it will draw it to that exact size. And that is how you draw objects that are a specific size in SketchUp.